Tonka! It's the 75th year celebration! And we have the 75th anniversary Tonka dump truck. It's a replica from 1968. Welcome to Exactly Toys and Fun, and we're celebrating the anniversary of Tonka with the 1968 mighty dump truck! Whoa! How cool is this? And it has a metal dump bed. This is one solid truck. The 1968 dump truck with a fire red cab, golden yellow metal dump, articulated dump bed. Original markings, a 75th anniversary badge. Beep, 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 beep. Let's give the truck a Tonka test. Tonka Tar! You can take this truck and play anywhere! Tonka, remember, everything else is just a toy. To celebrate the 75th anniversary, there are Tonka stickers with cool history of Tonka. And some temporary tattoos, super cool. Which one shall I pick? It's Tonka time! More great items for the Tonka celebrations. Happy 75th anniversary, Tonka! These Tonka toys are available now. Thanks Basic Fun for these gifted items. Hope you enjoyed the video and turn it for us Instagram, TikTok, details down below. To subscribe to Exactly Toys and Fun 3, 2, 1, bye!